Hi, welcome to Simply Explained, Simply Answered. This is our series that talks about different strategies, different things that you can use to make your investing life more easy and manageable. My partner Brian Bottarelli and myself, we run the War Room, and we use these strategies in the War Room to make us money and make hopefully everybody else money. So let's talk about hidden indicators. Okay? What are these hidden indicators? I talked about the VIX previously, so you got to look at that. That's a major hidden indicator that'll help you make money in the future. But the ones I like to watch are ones that I personally look at. Okay, these aren't indicators that everybody looks at. This is what I'm looking at. I'll give you one that everybody looks at in a second, but one that I look at. It's a symbol on a company. Okay, this symbol is N as in Nancy, M as in Mary, I as in Ian. NMI. What is NMI? NMI is the Nuveen Municipal Income Fund. It's a municipal fund, municipal bonds. Why is that a hidden indicator, you ask? Okay, so this is an insured muni closed-end fund, and I would recommend buying some of it just so you can keep an eye on it, okay? An insured muni fund means that all the bonds in that fund are insured, okay? They're gonna pay out because if the company underneath the municipality goes broke, the insurance kicks in and pays you. It is like the safest thing next to like a CD, okay? So when you look at this and you look at what happens in the stock market, there's a really important correlation because when people start selling something like NMI, that means they're really panicking. Because why would you sell something that's just like almost ultra safe, all right? I mean, not as safe as a CD or a treasury, but pretty damn close, okay? So when you're selling that, that means people have hit the bottom. They're selling the final thing in their portfolio that's worth anything because they're panicking like crazy. And when people panic like crazy, that's when opportunity kicks in and you can start buying stocks. So I look at something like NMI and I say, okay, NMI is trading around 11 and change right now. During the panics, this thing drops down to like 9 or even 850. And it correlates perfectly with what the VIX is doing and what the market is doing. So it's like the best puke indicator out there, okay? So when people are just throwing up because they can't stand being in the market anymore, they want to hide under the covers, you'll watch NMI. And if NMI is down around 9, that's telling you it's time to buy. So when NMI is like 11 or 12 or whatever it is right now, because there's no panic going on, you want to look at that. So when you see the market sell off a little bit, but you don't see NMI sell off, that's not a panic. Okay, that might be a dip, but it's not a panic. So use that as a panic indicator. Another one is the put-call ratio. Put-call ratio is really important. It tells you how many people are piling into buying put options or call options. When everybody's buying call options, okay, the put-call ratio is telling you, maybe not such a good time to be investing because everybody's really bullish. But when the flip side occurs, when the put-call indicator goes the other way and everybody's buying a lot of puts, well, when do people buy puts? I'll tell you when it's too late, okay? You should be buying puts when it's early, not when the market's already crashing. What good's that gonna do for you, okay? It's gonna cost you a lot of money, and it's probably not gonna pay off. But if you're on the other side of the trade, when everybody's buying puts and that put call indicator is going nuts, that's when you wanna go in and start buying stocks, because it's telling you, again, people are panicking. So those three indicators, the VIX, which I talked about previously, okay, NMI, and the put-call ratio, these are your hidden indicators that tell you what to do in the market when you see it going a little nuts, okay, either up or down. Doesn't matter which way it's going. These are good indicators. And this is what we do and what we look at in the War Room all the time to help us direct which way we should be going. So for Simply Explained, Simply Answered, I'm Karim Rahmatullah. Click on that link below and you'll get even more information like this that's going to make you very, very knowledgeable.